If you don't like to have the old boring sign-up forms on your website and like to build your list in a very fun way and also an effective way, if you implement this correctly, then VidRaffle might be very interesting for you. It's a brand new product that I'll be reviewing today. Going to give you a live demo, and as you can see here in the background, you can also see a few examples of what VidRaffle is all about. So these are 3 examples, and you can create these VidRaffles yourself. Now let me show you how it works. So let's take the bottom one here. When you click on win now, it starts spinning here these balls, and you can modify everything. You can even add your own products inside of the raffle, and then it picks a ball, and then boom, congratulations, you've won. And then on the next screen you see something like this, and here people can sign up. You could do the GDPR, you can enable that. You can fill out your email address here. Of course, not you're going to fill out the email address, but the person that fills out this form, and boom, here your coupon is VIP card. Thank you for subscribing and explore our car collection. So this is a car selection, but you could do this here for home services. You can do exactly the same here. The wheel starts spinning. It's going to grab a ticket for you. And of course, every time your customer spins the raffle, they won a prize. And you can also specify which kind of prize they won. So in here, great, you won a $100 coupon. And then in here, again, they fill out their email address and then send my coupon. And on the next page, they get their coupon. You can add a video in here. They can use this coupon. And when you click on this button, you can redirect them to that specific offer. And that's basically what VidRaffle is all about. Now, what I'm going to do is going to show you a full demo, but before I do so, I want to mention that there is a link in the description of this video. It will redirect you to my website, where I'm also going to give you some free extra upgrades if you pick this up through my link. And also the pricing, everything is available on my page, so make sure you check that out. All right, let's dive into this and let me show you the back end of VidRaffle. So this is the dashboard when you log into VidRaffle, where you can start creating your raffles. And it works really simple. As you can see here, we have create your raffles, your raffle games, your integrations, and there's help and support. And that's basically it. And of course, you can also watch some statistics, etc. But I think the most funny thing is to just go to create a VidRaffle so that I can show you how you can create these raffles yourself. So first you can select your themes, and you can choose from 3 options, as you can see here. So you could do coins, you could do balls, and you could do tickets. Now the tickets one is the most fun in my opinion, because you can also upload your own images and your own products to this raffle. So when I select this one, I'm going to give this a name. So I'm going to do review tickets, and I'm going to click customize here on the next, or the tickets one. Now it's going to the next screen where I can set up my own raffle. Now here it becomes very fun because by default it will give you the tickets that you just saw in the example video here. So this is the raffle, that how it looks right now, right? But as you can see here on the left side, you have so many changes. So first of all, here you have all the settings that you can change of this raffle. And then here at the top is the extra options, like the lead form screen, the integrations, the thank you screen, and the conversion pixels, etc. So let's first change this raffle in here. So as you can see here, these are all the images that have been added to this raffle, and you can browse and add your own images instead of these images. So let's say I don't want to use this ticket. Then what I do, I click on browse to my computer, and I want to add this picture. So this is an iPhone, and I want to use this iPhone because people can win this iPhone, or they can get a discount coupon for this icon. And now when I hit save here at the top, look what happens. Once it's saved, you can see that my iPhone is now spinning in the example here. So let me move myself here to the center. So now you can see here that my iPhone is spinning here inside of this raffle. So each image here can be replaced with your own image. And that way you can really modify it to your own products for whatever you would like to give away. Now here you can set up all these images that are being displayed inside of the raffle. As you can see here, 6 images have been added to this raffle. Now, you can also delete a few if you like to, if you want to make it more empty. But here at the bottom, you can set the raffle game results. So let's say somebody grabs ticket 1, and ticket 1 here is this ticket, ticket 1. Then, for example, the price is $5 coupon off. And here you can set the probability. So let's say if you set this the highest, people will grab this ticket the first, the most. So for each ticket here, you can set here the ticket, you can set the price, a coupon code, and here the probability. If you like, you can even add new results in here. Let me decline this call. So you can see here, you can set this up and everything can be modified in here. So you can participate in this raffle game. So if you like to say, start playing this raffle game, now you can modify this. You can even change the colors, etc. if you like to. So you can modify this. And even if you like to change the styles in here, you can set different colors to match your own brand. So if you want to have this a little bit more purple, you can do that. You could do the text color to white if you like to have this. The shadow, you can also make this a little bit purple light, as you can see. So here you can modify this. You can also add your own background. So if you like to have your a gradient background, for example, you can simply search here and there it will search for these images. And now you can modify this, as you can see here. It really starts to become a really fun the way it looks right now. You can set here, you can choose from different colors if you like to have a color background, or you could choose from these network, Unsplash, Pexels, Pixabay, Usign, or you can upload your own image. The frame automation, so the style. So if you like to have this frame to be bouncing, you can do that, or shaking. Personally, I don't like to add these things to the style because I think it's a bit spammy if you have those moving objects on your website. I think this attracts already this information you're seeing here, this raffle. And then you can say the duration and the delay, etc. And if you like to, you can also add sounds here inside of the game. When they win, you can add an audio like this here. Like that. And you could also do a game sound, or you can upload your own game sound. And once you fill out all the information and you uploaded your own images in here, you can go to the lead form screen. So this is the screen that they will be seeing once they have opted in. So here you can see, awesome, you just won a prize, enter your email below to claim it. And here you can add your video. But let's say you don't want to record a video, then you simply add a GIF file in here where they've won, for example. They do, yoo-hoo, it's Friday. Or of course, let's say winner. Here you can search for GIFs and then you can say, okay, they won a prize or good job, or you could do something like this. You know, I like this style. Awesome, you won a prize. Enter your email below. Or you could do the coupon code in here. You modify this text that you see in here where you already add the coupon. Oh, no, I'm saying this wrong. First, they need to fill out their email address, of course. So they fill out the prize in here, their email address. You modify this, everything in here, as you can see. And then on the next screen, by the way, you could also disable a progress bar, yes or no, or you can disable the headline, yes or no, or disable the image. So it's very flexible. And then you need to add your integration. So here you can select the integration services. Now you could do Zapier, you can save in the app, or a custom form integration. So if your integration is not in the list. So let's say I want to do the integrations in here. You can add integration. Now look, all these integrations here are supported. So Aweber, GetResponse, SendGrid, Ontraport, MailChimp, these are all supported. So you can pause the video to see if your mailing system is in here. But even if your mailing system is not in the list, you can say a custom HTML form integration in here, and then you can paste your form in here, and then it will be filled out automatically. This form will be filled out automatically when you parse this information. So basically you can use VidRaffle with any autoresponder, or you can save this in the app yourself. If you do not have an autoresponder, you can say connect, and then all the leads will be stored inside of your account. Then on the thank you screen here, this is where you have to add your coupon. So I was wrong telling to do that on the previous screen. Of course, first they fill out their email address, and then here you could do your coupon code. You could fill out that information here at the left side. And again, you could do your own images. So you could do a video here, you could do images. So you could search for images, or you could do GIF files here. You can choose from all these GIF files. You can simply search for a GIF file. You're a winner, for example, and you have all the information in here. And again, if you don't like to have this, you can disable this as well. You can redirect this to your own destination. So if you want to redirect this to your price or to your product, you can do that, where they can apply this coupon. And once you've done that, you can also add your conversion pixel as well. So once somebody has filled out their email address, you can add that conversion pixel in here so that you can also use this with paid ads, etc. And then once you're done in here, you can click on save. And once you've saved this, you can click on publish. So let's wait a little while. Now you can click on publish, and then your VidRaffle is ready to be used on your website. As you can see, this is the VidRaffle game that we created. So you click start, you can test this in here. So now it will spin with the phone in here. As you can see, the phone that we've added. And then boom, hey, we won the phone. That's fun, right? So woohoo, you won. And then this is what we just set up here. That's the guy that we set up. We fill out their email address, as you can see in here. We agree. And then on the next screen, we will get this guy here, you're a winner. Thanks for subscribing. Your coupon is 5 off. And then the thank you page to your product. Now, to use this, you can embed and share this. So when you click on this, you can use this. If you have the upgrades here, you can use this as a pop-up or add as a sticky on the bottom of your page, or add as an announcement bar on top here, or a QR code. But you can embed this with the front end. You can embed this on your website. You can share this on social media or get a hosted link. So if you embed this on your website, you're going to get this code. And here you can paste this on your website. We all know how that works, right? Just like you add a YouTube video on your website. Or you can get the hosted link here, where you can copy this to your clipboard, and then you can play the hosted game. So when I paste this in my browser in here, you can see this is the game that they can play in here. So when you share this on social media, you can share it to this page, where you can let people win anything you like, right? So that's one of the games. Now, if you like to create another game, you can do that as well. So when you create a game, you can also say, okay, I want to have a coin game. Let's say coin game in here. You could do the coins in here. And then basically it works exactly the same. But instead of uploading your images, you can add text to these balls. So right now, this is A. You could say this is AB and this is CD, for example. And then when you save this, these coins will be transformed to the text that you've added in here. And again, you can set the raffle game results in here for the specific prizes. But basically, this works the same for these coins. You can do that with balls as well. And then once you set up all of your games, you can also go to your statistics. So here you can see the lead graphs on your dashboard, but you can also go to the raffle games that you have created inside of your account in here. And then let's say you want to preview your results in here. Then you go to your statistics, and here you can see exactly how many people have started the game, how many lead pages you got, and how many thank you pages. So you can see exactly how many people filled out their email address, etc. So you can modify your game. You can see the type of browsers, type of devices, and the operating systems they're using. And if you decided to store the leads inside the platform, they will be stored in here inside of the app as well. And then in the left menu, basically, here's exactly the same what I just showed you. There are some upgrades like the agency, the white label version. But this is basically what VidRaffle is all about. It's a very fun way to build your list where you can add your own products to this raffle. And I think it's a very fun product. So if this is something that might interest you, again, there's a link in the description of this video. Check it out on my website. If you grab it through my link, you're going to get my free upgrades as well. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. And please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done yet. I do a lot of product reviews, so hit that notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Talk soon. Cheers.